Hi, so let's see what we did last time with Space Invaders. We were at this point where the sprites get down, but with this snappy kind of movement when they go down. So I made this sequel here to the code where they just go down more fluently with this kind of movement, and they also have this sort of animation in here. So let's go and let's see what I changed. In the alien class here, you see I created these self frames equal load F for F in these four images that I added into the images folder here. You see alien 1B, alien 1BB, alien 1C. There are three images, but two are just one here and one here are the same. Then I make a self image equal the first one of this one, and when I update the image, I go and change the image every frame count here. I use this frame count counter that starts from 0 and then increments of 0 of dot 03, so it will not increment, it will not go to the next frame every frame rate, but every 3 frame rate plus or less, because I just increment here I go to the int self frame count. So when it's 03, it will always be 0 because I get just the integer, and so on. It will be 06 always 0, 09 always 0, and when it will go to 1.02, it will go to the frame number 1, and so on. So it will slow down the animation. If you wanna make it even slower, you can go here. You see it's really slow, and if you wanna go faster, you put 0.5, but I decided to give it a 0.3 as a movement because it felt good for me. So then I have this self collide, and what happens if, okay, this is not important, we're going to change this one for the collision, and then for to smooth the movement, when the alien goes to the extreme right of the window or left of the window, it will go down of 1, and okay, and it will also change direction, and yeah, maybe this won't change so much code. In fact, we change the direction and will also go down. So if it go down, it will for 20 frames, it will go down of 1 pixel, and at the end it will not go down anymore. The go down variable will go to 0 until it will hit back the left on right edge. So here it is. It will change direction and go down, change direction and go down for just 20. Could be a good thing maybe to stop going on the left or on the right. And to make this, I could probably put this thing in here. Okay, but I should drats, maybe drats equals 0, maybe. Okay, 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 and I must do here must put drats. Okay, let's do m equal drats, so to memorize if it's going to the right of the, and then drats equal m maybe. No, now it's now let's see why it always goes down. Okay, now it goes straight and it doesn't, so I could also make this one of like 30. Okay, and so we gave this more fluid way to go down. And I think that's all for this time. The next time we will fix the collision here among the ship and that can move, as you can see, the ship and the aliens, and we can also shoot the bullets to the, you see, game over appears, but they continue to move. So see you next time. Thank you.